Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download LinkedIn job applications history, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Log in to your LinkedIn account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Settings menu, click on Get a copy of your data in that section. You will see two options, the Works or Pick and Choose. Select Pick and Choose for specific data extraction. Scroll down to find the Job Applications option. Check the box next to Job Applications. After selecting, scroll down and click on the Request Archive button. A prompt will appear confirming your request. Click Request Archive again to confirm. LinkedIn will take some time to prepare your data. You will receive an email notification once your data is ready to download. Check your email for the notification and follow the provided link. Log back into your LinkedIn account if prompted. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Open the file to access your job applications history. Review the information provided in the document. Now, you'll have a complete overview of your LinkedIn job applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.